How to cancel Amazon Prime Video membership. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can cancel Amazon Prime Video membership. But before that, if you guys are new to App Hacks, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you do not miss out on our future videos. Now let's get started. The first thing you will need to do is open up your Amazon app. Make sure that your Amazon app is up to date and you're logged in into your account. After you do that, tap on the hamburger icon that is on the bottom here. Tap on it and you will see your account option. Tap on your account on the top and now you're on your account settings. Now after you're here, if you scroll down a bit, you should find an option called Manage Prime Membership. It's under your account settings. Tap on Manage Prime Membership and after you tap on it, you will see your Prime membership. What you can do here is that you can simply select your Prime membership and you can cancel it from right here. It's a really simple process. Just select your membership, head over there and then cancel it. And that is how you can cancel your Amazon Prime Video membership, guys. That is all for the video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.